Hello everybody, back at Mount Lemon, Windy Point, and then there's this huge spike poking out the sun. It looks like it's a giant firecracker. Oopsies. Sorry, I'm going. I gotta get my tea. Whoa, that thing is crazy. That's pretty intense. I'll be back. How's everybody doing today? I hope everybody's got a day like the sun today. Nice and bright out there. There he is. That's good shot there, folks. I'm sorry I couldn't do this live. I don't have a good enough phone to record it when I stream from it at 60 FPS. Hang on, it'll get better. Wow, that is just tremendous. I wonder how far it goes out. Let's see. It is. It is. What are you looking at right now? The sun? It's the sun right there. You see that fire? It's pretty darn cool. Everyone is welcome. If you wish to donate, I'm staying here from there.
Oh, okay. That's what we've been doing too. What do you see?
Sun.
Oh. Is there a sunburst? Where do you... Oh, cool. Can I take a picture of it?
I'm recording it. It may not come out as good as a thing.
That's
You're
okay.
always welcome to take a look, but if you want to donate, then I'll let me get here from there. research.
What are you researching?
It's called astroarchaeology.
Say it again?
Astroarchaeology.
Okay. And what is it a study of?
It's a study of the remains of ancient observational logs. Observers of ancient humans, as far as we can tell. And it teaches us stuff because then we can turn back the map
Yeah.
to where we match those observations. That teaches us our timelines become more exact. We learn about ourselves in the past and the universe in the past.
And so do you have a website or anything? You're recording it and then you'll go back and study it?
No, I'm not. I'm recording this over. I'm not studying this on any sort of research.
Oh,
That's
okay. See
astroarchaeology has to do with the remains of observational logs we find in geological sites.
Okay.
Megalithic stones. That would be usually reserved
Yeah.
to things more ancient than 6,000 years ago. And we have found things up to 15,000 years ago that we're just starting to excavate. Things that are even deeper than that we need to bring in bulldozers.
So this-
Thank you, that helps a lot, I really appreciate it.
Sure, no problem.
And that's what stars look like in there.
And what?
This is what stars look like. They're patchy all over with magnetism. They have wrinkles and spots and little fires poking out.
Huh.
That's amazing.
May I take a picture?
It's
A video, he said you
kind
can.
of
You may
it's
not get it.
underwhelming
Huh?
to take a picture of a video on the screen. But yeah.
Well,
So is this your,
Yes. And it's cheaper than tuition.
it's
Yeah.
cheaper than
It was. I paid
What
like-
other locations you got?
just here.
Just here? That's a pretty good shot at the sun.
I'm gonna upload that to my YouTube just for fun, not because I need to log it. There's obviously other more powerful space-based satellites looking at the sun all the time.
Yeah.
But it's called Astronomy Capital. CAPITOL. It's known as the astronomy capital of the world.
cool. That is an intense telescope there. So you're studying the sun?
No. Studying astroarchaeology and fundraising by letting you see the sun. And if you want to
Oh.
donate, that helps me get gear and other research.
I see. That's a cool study.
You can step closer and look at the screen.
Wow. So you recorded?
This is recording right now. My phone is here, and then this is hooked up by a little apparatus here onto my spectroscope. And that huge spike flying off the sun is bigger than even the smallest stars. And this is what stars are. The brighter patches are hotter, the darker patches are colder. It's all magnetism rippling the plasma.
Do you do night sky studies too?
And the sunset happens and the experiments are on too.
So are you going to stay up here till sunset today?
Yes, I have enough hot chocolate to make that happen. Yeah.
And the bathroom's right by, right? Also.
Wow.
Yeah, if you're here at sunset, I will stay for a little bit and let you take a look. It's gonna be pretty cool. You're gonna
Yeah.
have to deal with it.
Yeah. Do you live in Tucson?
I live in Tucson. It's the astronomy capital.
Yep. That's what I heard. There's like 4 observatories.
There's 4 observatory,
Locations.
yeah, complexes. Because there's dozens up here. But the largest collection of optical telescopes is on that observatory complex on Kitty. There's Hopkins, and there's Bigelow. And of course, the Eagles doesn't do much with research on that. They have a planetarium. And then on the other horizon, on the other side of the mountain, there's Graham. They've got the Pope scope and the large binocular telescope.
I saw the headline of the local paper this week that had a picture of a black hole.
Yeah, it was kind of green. We used radio telescopes.
Yeah.
Scattered all over
Uh,
all over the planet, excuse me. It's just your angular resolution is the goal. We can do that with visible light scopes, but for a black hole, radio light is one of the best things to us. They just convert it into a picture and put color up under it to simulate the temperatures that would be visible in the visible light anyway.
Yeah.
So it peaks along that kind of like orangish, yellowish glow. It's not as hot as the sun is in that spectrum. You know, it's a little bit, but it's still very hot. Considering it's just tearing stuff apart. Wow. thanks for stopping by. I'm
Yes.
gonna keep watching this little thing because I'm very interested in it.
Sunspot?
It's this little fire that's poking out on the
Yeah.
lower. That I'm trying to keep on that. Hmm. And that's what stars are.
So it's safe to look at this way. Why is that?
Mason isn't dark. It's got the filters you want, but it also has a spectroscope which lets us see this detail. You're not gonna get any of that
Right.
with those little film glasses.
Okay.
If I put a sheet on the big scope, I would get a really nice granulated picture of the sun with a darker sunspots or shapes. Maybe every once in a while you would see one of these filaments if they were dark enough. And this sort of, you're not gonna see any fires or eruptions.
I was gonna say, are there any solar storms right now?
This one is kind of detonating down the upways.
Okay.
On the opposite and inverted side of that orientation. But it's not gonna reach us or anything. We'll just watch it from here. Isn't that nice? Not to worry about.
We had a total eclipse in Ohio recently in April. It was
I had to
really
go to Texas for
incredible.
that. That
You
was
went
fun.
to Texas?
I drove 1,014 miles or something like that.
Yeah.
And I did it in 11 hours.
Oh my gosh.
So do the math.
And the weather there was a little dicey, but it turned out
Yeah.
good at the end, right?
Only in some places. So if you were along the path of totality, the temperature drop would cause the gas to condense. For a totality, a little bit more totality, a little bit faster, it would have seemed like they just cleared out just right.
Wow. That's what my daughter said when she was in.
But anywhere else, it was kind of partial. You were just going to get right down.
Yep.
Just a tornado
Wow.
warnings to go
That's-
cancel.
Yeah.
But in Lano, Texas, it never rains. So it was likely going to be nice.
Wow. Yeah, my daughter was east of Boston. It cleared just
It
in
worked
time.
out.
We had perfect weather in Ohio.
It was fascinating.